Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to install a new cartridges in a HP PageWide Pro MFP 477DW. That's the HP machine, and it also has this Wi-Fi functionality whereby you can print wirelessly on your phone, also on your computer, also on your laptop. So you can see now this machine can print without connecting any cable on this machine. So you see it's asking for the cartridges. So what you do here, it says one or more cartridges are missing or damaged. Until cartridges are replaced, make sure the printer is turned on to avoid damage to the printer, right? So what I'm going to do for now, I'm going to switch it off. Trying to switch it off. Yeah, it's shutting down. After shutting down, I'm waiting. Yes, down. Then you open this. This is the chamber you have to open. It even says PageWide technology. So then you start with a black cartridge. Black cartridge goes on your far right. It sits in like this. You slide it in. Okay. Then the next cartridge is gonna be Cyan. Put it in like that. Then the third cartridge is gonna be Magenta. Then the fourth cartridge is gonna be yellow. After doing that, you make sure each cartridge good enough. They make some of them, the sizes are not the same. It's difficult to put black in the place of yellow. It's never be allowed by the machine because even the space is not there. Black is a little bit bigger, so that's and it's called, you can see. Okay, all of them, they have 973X, all of them, but it's a little bit bigger. You can see it's bigger than everything because every time when you print, even if you print in color, black has to be mixed into that any color you want to print. So it's needed anyway. You can't print any color without having black, but you can print black only. So you put it back. Okay, close. Then let me switch on the machine to see if everything went well. Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit of some few minutes, then we're going to see. Right, everything is fine. Let's see what it's saying. That you say okay. You can see that what they call the message which was complaining about cartridges are not there anymore. So, and if you are in a place like Edenvale, Balfour Park, Glen Hazel, Orange Grove, this place called what next year, Linksfield, and you are looking for a place to put your child, there's a daycare center here. This is my client. It's a very good daycare center. It's called Bukamuso Early Learning. So it's on number 22 Northfield Avenue. Then you bring your child and the fees are very, very good. So they gave me business, but also I see that their services are good. The kids are learning in a very good environment. That's why you can see I come and do services for their printers, so kids, they print for them stuff and all that, you get me. So this is a good thing to tell you about, because you can't do a video then you know something good and don't tell people. So if you watch my videos, so that's the place to bring your child. And they've been here for many years, you get me. I can maybe do something like simple to show you, like here outside, how it looks like. You can see where your child is going to play. You can see the environment is so good, so quiet, trees and all that. The thing is, like, I'm inside, you would not see everything, but you can see the gate there, security is there, and this place is so quiet. If you guys know about Glen Hazel, you know it's a very secure place. So that's it, guys. So okay, I was working on the cartridges, but also I felt like it was necessary for me to show you that you can see all the dolls your baby is gonna be playing with. This is something good, guys. So we also have security cameras here. Nothing can happen bad about your child. So that's the thing I want to talk about. Anyway, guys, this machine is a good machine. We installed cameras, cartridges, and I did a video also on the same machine on how to make setup on printing. So on printing wirelessly. So I showed you how to set up. We used this thing, then we did go to setup and we gave it a Wi-Fi name and all that. You get me? We did that in a previous video, so which went also perfectly well. Yeah, so the machine now can print, and the model number of the machine is an HP PageWide Pro MF 477DW. You get me? So yeah, if you want to test also, you have to make sure you have papers in your tray. Yeah, put papers here, then you make a printout or a copy. Then after, you can close. I don't think we have papers. There's not enough papers here. I was gonna do a copy, but it's not necessary. You see, the machine is not complaining about anything. So also you can also go to settings and see how much toner remained into your machine. You get me? So when you go to settings, you can see all that. Let me see, this is the info. Let me see if I can get you that. It can also scan, it can fax, it can use USB. So if you want to make a copy, also you can say ID card if you want to make IDs and all that. Let's go home. Let's see, job and all that. Yeah, that's it, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, and hope to see you in the next video. Also share our content everywhere. Thanks, and see you in the next video.